Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of selecting who can view your status on the Botim app. Whether you want to share updates with everyone or keep them private, we've got you covered. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. After that, select Status. Finally, choose one of the following options to control who can see your status. Everyone. All Botim users can view your status. My Contacts. Only individuals saved in your contacts can see your status. My Contacts. Except allows you to exclude specific contacts from viewing your status. Nobody. No one can see your status. By following these steps, you can easily manage your status visibility on Botim. Adjusting these settings ensures your privacy and control over who sees your updates. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.